Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So this is my second time filming this because I filmed it the other day and I was watching back the footage as I was editing and I was like, this just seems a little all over the place and I don't like it. So I'm here refilming it for you guys. So today we're going to be talking about what's in my hospital bag. I am 36 weeks today, the day that I am filming this. So basically, she can come at any moment now. But yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. And I want to preface this by saying it is never too early to start packing your hospital bag. So my oldest came at 36 weeks, and in my head I was like, oh, we have time, blah blah blah. No, I didn't have time. So not only did I not have a hospital bag packed, but I was at my in-laws house because my brother-in-law was moving out of the state, so we had like his goodbye dinner the night before. So I was at my in-laws, so the amount of things that I had were very limited to bring with me to the hospital. And my hubby ended up having to go back to our apartment like after I had the baby and grab some more stuff for us. So honestly, in my opinion, it is never too early to have your hospital bag packed. Okay, so first things first, also sorry if the audio quality is a little weird. My children got a hold of my microphone and lost the piece that connects it, so hopefully it's not too terrible. But I have this bag here for baby girl and I, and then I'm just gonna give my husband his own bag so that way when he's trying to find his stuff, he doesn't have to search through the Mary Poppins bag in order to find it. So first things first, we're bringing a towel from home just to have it because hospital towels really aren't that great and they're kind of uncomfortable and they're really small in my opinion. And then I'm just bringing him like 2 pairs of shirts, like 2 pairs of sleep shirts and a pair of pants. He might also grab himself a hoodie too if I know him. I'll grab one of his hoodies as we're running out the door, most likely. So just shirts, undergarments, and then a pair of pants. And then obviously he has his own, these are our camping toothbrushes. So I just threw some of the picks in there for your teeth. So I'm gonna put his in his bag. But yeah, and then the rest of the toiletries I'll just keep in my bag. So for now, that's all that's gonna go in hubby's bag. He's also going to throw his charger in there, and then whatever else he feels like bringing at the last minute. Clothing and toiletries will be out of the way because it'll mostly be in my bag. Okay, so for myself, I am bringing some flip-flops for the shower. I just personally don't like being barefoot in public showers. It's just a thing of mine. You don't have to bring them if you don't want to, but like I said, I just don't like being in showers, public showers without them. So I am bringing a pair of flip-flops, and it's nice because this one pocket is like plastic lined, so I don't have to worry about everything else getting dirty because they'll be in there. So I'm bringing those, and I am also bringing 2 pajama outfits for myself. So my hospital makes you stay 2 days for a vaginal birth, 3 days for a C-section. So I'm planning for a vaginal birth in case crazy things happen. But yes, I'm just bringing this nightgown. I have breastfed in it before, so it is easy access to the girls. And then it comes with this little robe, so that way I can just have the nightgown in the robe on, and when I need to pull out my boobs for breastfeeding or they need to check me, everything is pretty easy to find, or easy to access, I should say. And then the other one I got is just a pajama short set. I get really hot after birth because, you know, all those hormones. So it's just a short set. And again, button down in the front, so that way it'd be very easy access to breastfeed. Okay, so we have those 2 things there, and then I'm also bringing some compression socks because you can get a little swollen after birth, and having the compression socks does help with that. So I am bringing compression socks and then just a pair of regular socks for myself for going home. And then my going home outfit is nothing exciting. It's just a pair of sweatpants and a hoodie or a sweater, crew neck, whatever you want to call it. Because one, I'm due in the beginning of March, and two, I just had a baby and the hospital's 7 minutes from my house. I don't really like feel the pressure to look cute for anybody, if you know what I mean. Okay, so that is all my clothing. That's all I'm bringing clothing wise. I'm not bringing anything else crazy. Besides that, I have, like I said, my own toothbrush, toothpaste, and picks. Next thing I'm bringing is some nursing pads. I highly doubt I'll need them, honestly, but just in case my milk does come in, I am going to be bringing those with me. And then other toiletry wise, I'm bringing dry shampoo because I am not washing my hair in the hospital. That's one battle that I don't want to have. So I'm not going to be washing my hair, but I am going to bring dry shampoo. And then I have body wash, and then two other. I am bringing one just in case because I haven't asked yet which body wash they use on the baby. So I'm bringing it just in case. But yeah, so I'm bringing some body washes. And then I can also use that Cetaphil on my face if I want to wash it. And I'm also bringing some organic nipple butter. They do give you nipple butter at the hospital. However, that one has lanolin in it, and lanolin is actually not safe for babies to consume. But yeah, so I'm just bringing this one because then I don't have to worry about the ingredients that the baby is consuming. All right, and then I'm also bringing myself a pair of fuzzy socks too, just in case I get cold, because I'm only bringing a nightgown and a short pajama set, so I figured I should bring some fuzzy socks just in case I do end up getting cold. And then moving on to other things I'm bringing, I am bringing two of my Freedom Mom boy shorts. Because these are high-waisted, and I'd rather put these boy shorts on than the hospital boy shorts, just because they're more structured and they do come up a lot higher than the hospital ones do. So I am bringing two pairs of the Freedom Mom boy shorts, and I am also going to bring a few of these Depends discreet diapers, I guess you could say, for myself as well, just because I don't know if I'm going to want to wear these or like if I'll just wear what the hospital gives me. So, but if I don't want to wear them, I want to have the option to not wear them. So I am bringing those with me as well. Moving on to other random things, I am bringing a white noise machine and a cord. So hospitals are actually very terrible to sleep in. And the babies are used to the loud womb, so I wanted to bring the white noise machines in hopes that she can sleep a little bit better and not be as distracted when they're coming in and out of the room when they need to check on me, or you know, just hopes that all of us sleep a little bit better with the white noise as a distraction. So I am bringing that. I am bringing a thing of water wipes. I know they have wipes at the hospital. However, these are really good for getting the baby's butt clean of the meconium poop, which is that gross, sticky, tar-like poop that they have when they first start pooping. So these are very good for cleaning that up. Also to like wipe my face or whatever I need to feel like I need to do with that. And then also I am bringing my letter board and the extra letters, so that way I can write her name, the date she was born, her ounces, length, all that jazz. I did it with my second son, so I'm bringing this to make sure I could do it this time around again. So some other random things I'm bringing. I am also bringing some snacks. I'll probably grab some more than this. Honestly, I just grabbed a few for now so I could have something in my bag. But I'll most likely grab some more snacks. And honestly, snacks are very, very important. Especially if you like give birth late at night. Like my second was born at 10 o'clock at night and there was like nothing to eat. You know what I mean? Especially those middle of the night breastfeeding cravings. They're the worst. So I am bringing myself a few snacks in there. And then I'm also bringing some liquid IV. This is the tangerine flavor. So I am going to be bringing some of these with me as well. And then I'm also bringing a small thing of coconut water as well. Just because hydration is very, very important after you give birth, especially if you're breastfeeding. Because, Lord, you are so thirsty. It is honestly ridiculous. And then I'm also, I forgot this sitting here, but I'm also bringing myself nursing bras. So I have this one and a black one as well. Other things that I'm also bringing a hair tie and some chapstick. Because you can never have enough hair ties. Or in case I lose one or whatever. I'm bringing an extra hair tie and some chapstick because hospital air, whew, gets you so dry, I swear. So a few more things. I'm also bringing some deodorant. This is the brand that I use. I get it at Target, so I'm going to be bringing that with me. And then I'm also going to be bringing a picture of my dad. He passed away right after I had my first, so he never got to meet my second child, and he'll never get to meet this baby. So I'm bringing a picture of him to have at the hospital so he could be like the first one to meet the baby. So I am bringing that. And then I'm also bringing my Kindle. I might bring a physical book too. I haven't quite decided yet, but I am bringing my my Kindle for sure. Just because you can only scroll social media so much before you get tired of it. You know what I mean? You have a lot of downtime, especially if you're breastfeeding. So I'm going to be bringing my Kindle for sure. I'm not packing it quite yet. I'll just grab it before we run out the door. And then same thing with my headphones. I'm going to be bringing them as well. Same reasons, just in case I want to listen to something, or if someone wants to video call us, it's a lot easier. Just to have the headphones in your ear and to make things a little bit more hands-free. So these are two things that I'll be grabbing as I'm running out the door. And the other thing I'll be grabbing is my charger. So those are the few things that I'll be grabbing as I run out the door. And then I believe that's everything for me. Oh, there's one more thing that I'll be getting, and it's called the After Ease drops, and basically it's supposed to help the contractions after birth. So after you give birth, your uterus still contracts because it has to go back down to pre-pregnancy size, and they get worse with every kid. So I'm going to be bringing those to the hospital as well to see if they help a little bit, because I'm very stubborn when it comes to taking medication. So I am going to be bringing those with me as well. And I believe that's it for myself. Moving on to baby. I'm going to be bringing her boppy pillow because it just makes things easier to nurse. Because the hospital pillows are the worst, and it just makes things easier to have the breastfeeding pillow. And then we're bringing this receiving blanket. It's very cute. And then it also comes with a matching headband. So her announcement picture will have her wrapped in this with her bow and then the letterboard. So it'll be very cute, very aesthetic, I'm sure. So I'm bringing that for her. And then I'm also bringing a burp cloth. Just because I like how long these are, they're not necessary. I'm just bringing it to be extra, I guess. So I am bringing one of those. And then her going home outfit is going to be just this pink long sleeve with these pants. And then I also have just some socks for her, and then these little mittens. Bringing that as well for her. And then I'm also bringing this. I don't know if we're gonna put her in it, but just in case we want to, she can have a potato sack on her. So I'm bringing it just in case we want it. Like I said, I don't know if we'll be putting it on her, but just in case. And then I made her this little hat. So we're also bringing this as well. I made a matching blanket with it. We'll probably put that over her car seat to carry her home in. So checking my list, a few more things we'll be grabbing as we run out the door. A pillow and blanket for my husband, because anyone who's been a support person for a mama giving birth, you know that that pull-out couch they give you is not very comfortable. So he'll be grabbing a pillow and blanket for himself as we walk out. I also have to make sure I pack my retainers in the case for them, because those of you who don't know, my braces came off recently, so I do have to wear my retainers that night. So I'll have to be grabbing those as well. And then my prenatal vitamins. Those are the last handful of things that we'll be grabbing as we run out the door. Everything else is packed and ready to go. I can't believe it's time to do this again. I'm a little bit nervous. I don't know why, because it's not my first time giving birth. It's my third time. But I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm also very, very excited. Please let me know things that you've brought in your hospital bag, your must-haves, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.